and welcome. My name is Melody from Melody Crochet, and today we're going to be practicing the back and front post triple crochet together. So just in case you're wondering what they mean when they say back or front post triple crochet, basically to start this you're going to do a chain of 4 to get that kind of height, maybe less, follow your pattern. Turn your work, and we're going to start with these nice fresh stitches to work around. Just a little bit about the anatomy. This is the V that you usually place your stitches in. If you were back loop or front loop, you'd be talking about the back or front loop of this chain, but this is the post we're talking about. We're working around the post. When they say front post triple crochet, they want you to do a crochet around the front of this post, just like this. Boop. And when they say do a back post triple crochet, they want you to do, say that same post, they want you to do it around the back of that post. In order to do any triple crochet, you're going to yarn over 2 times, and then you're going to decide for front post, you're always going to be working from the right to the left of the post. You're going to insert and come out like that. Yarn over, draw up a loop, and now you complete a regular triple crochet, assuming you're familiar with it. If you're not, that means that yarn over that you just drew up a loop with, yarn over, pull under 2, yarn over, pull under 2, yarn over, pull under 2, and that is your triple crochet. Let's do another one really quick. We started off with a double yarn over. Here's the next post. I'm going to insert behind from right to left, yarn over and draw that loop up, really makes it pop forward. Yarn over, pull under 2, yarn over, pull under 2, yarn over, pull under 2. And that is a front post triple crochet. Now, the back post triple crochet, very, very similar. Yarn over 2 times. Let's say we're working around this post. You need to dip this hook. I like to put my finger here to hold on to the yarn. Dip this hook from the back, bring it up on the right of that post we're working around, over that post we're working around, and out the other side to the left. Now I'm going to grab my yarn over and draw up a loop. Come here, mister. And make sure that you're working to the left of this strand because you kind of drug your yarn with you. And then you have 4 strands on your hook. That's the one you just drew up a loop from behind the post. Yarn over, pull under 2. Yarn over, pull under 2, yarn over, pull under 2. Let's do that again. Yarn over 2 times. From the back to the front to the back. Yarn over, draw up a loop, come back the way you came. Yarn over, pull under 2, yarn over, pull under 2, yarn over, pull under 2. And that is the front and the back post